Hey all, John with Gray Duck Dent Repair, Minnesota here. Today we are working on a 1972 Pontiac LeMans. This is a beautiful car, show car. Got a little ding in the hood. We are gonna get that out without any paint, no putty, and keep it all original. So I'll pan around and get some better shots of the damage here. And we will show you how it's done, and we'll show you the results when we're finished. Thanks so much for watching.
And as you can see, this repair turned out very nicely. And because we were able to fix it with Paintless Dent Repair, we avoided repainting the car, avoided having any BONDO in there, and we were able to maintain the vehicle's factory finish, which is by far the most resilient and the most valuable paint job you can ever have on your vehicle. Additionally, maintaining the vehicle's value because there will be no negative reporting on the vehicle history report, and we're able to take care of the repair in a matter of hours instead of days or weeks at a conventional body shop. So if you have dents or dings, give Gray Duck Dent Repair a call, 651-492-DENT. Thanks so much for watching.